Hello, so it's Richard at Poplar's Farm Shop. We are out in our what was potatoes last year, and we had wheat around the outside of this field because the ground's a bit heavy around the outside. But we are now ploughing it, and this is destined to be our pumpkin field this year. So we're ploughing it now, even though we're not going to be planting pumpkins for a couple of months yet. We're ploughing it to get the ground ready. And we're hoping to create like a stale seedbed, which basically means we get all the weeds to grow on the ground first, and then we can kill them all off and start with a blank canvas. Because in the pumpkins, weed control is one of our biggest problems. There aren't many chemicals we can use. Being as we're not an organic farmer, we use chemicals to kill the weeds, but there aren't many available to us in the pumpkins. So we have to do a very good job before we even plant them. So here we go, and here's the plough. Busy away. As far as tractor jobs go, ploughing is quite a satisfying one. It's one of my favourite jobs. There you go.